The opening government already told you about how the K-pop industry caused a problem because that industry give a society a beauty standard, and all the people should try to follow that a beauty standard. And a lot of people in the society, especially women, feel uncomfortable and feel unconfident because that a beauty standard that made it by K-pop industry is just high and is just too high, and they can afford the beauty standard itself. And the opening opposition tried to give us an explanation about the problem that coming about the beauty standard itself is not coming from the K-pop. It's just coming from the society because the society demand that to see a handsome or beauty celebrity itself. And the opening opposition tried to explain that the K-pop industry not just give us the beauty standard, instead of the K-pop industry show us the K-pop industry motivate us towards the hard work, talent, achievement, and so on and so forth. Two quick responses in my speech. First, knowing the fact that the K-pop industry is the one who following the trend of the society demand is truly false, ladies and gentlemen. The fact that is the K-pop industry not try to following the trend of the society or beauty standard of the society, instead of they are make their own self beauty standard and trend. For example, we can see that the rising Korean trend is coming from the second generation, when the moment girl band or boy band from the South Korea, such as Super Junior and SNSD, is rising, is not just because they are talented. We can see back on 2010 when the hypes is rising, the most talented artists or actors is a lot of out there, but the one who keep rising is this Korean boy band, that I mentioned it before, because the demand of the society itself that want to see the SNSD and Super Junior itself, other than the other actress or actors. The rising of the boy band is like, of course, that coming from that not just coming from their talent, but they're also coming from their face and their body. And when the agency know that the formula how to rising their celebrity is coming from their body and their face, the company try to explore it more and using that formula again and again to take the advantage of it. For example, we can see a lot of phenomena where the actress body, the actress ABS, or the actress face showing in the social media, showing in their agency to attract a lot of people to see, and to attract a lot of people to see them more. As we know, the company will not care about the impact that they made it through the society. The company will always try to focusing to make profit on it, and probably the impact will be huge. Such as a lot of kids will not be able to again to feel confidence because he see that the society is just seeking or searching about the K-pop and the world within the K-pop, or maybe the girl that not feel confidence because her doesn't look as an Korean artist, or maybe when he wants to hang out with her friends, and she doesn't like about the Korean, that girl will be isolated by her friends. For example, the moment when the opening opposition tried to explain that the Korean industry is showing us the talent, showing us the hard work, we can agree with that, because the talent or hard work that showing from the K-pop industry is a privilege. Why I said so? You can see the trainer that from the K-pop industry, such as NCT, Big Hit, and the others, they have a privilege, right? They have a lot of money, and the company fulfill they are wants and they are need at the very first place. But also the company treat they are trained as hell. For example, the company try to implement it at the extreme diet or full-time training for the trainee, and it's really harmful. But also in this case, the company provide the health insurance and this kind of hard work that was showing by the K-pop industry. But why it's becoming a problem for the society, especially for the feminist movement? The moment when the fans of K-pop try to imitate their idol habit, such as following an extreme diet, so on and so forth, but they not have a same privilege to do so, such as a healthy insurance, and it will be harmful for them. They probably getting sick, or maybe they died because of doing that. And this kind of habits is following by a lot of fans out there, especially women, and the mindset that if they are doing this kind of things, they feel that they are feel really close with their own idol, and soon the fans have a hope, have a dream to meet their idol and tell the story about how they feel the same pain as them as they are idol. But it's just in their imagination, ladies and gentlemen. What the fans of K-pop trying to do is just an activity that harming their ourselves, and they didn't know about it. This kind of campaign is of hard work and talented going wrong, and this kind of thing should be stopped aggressively by feminist movement. And The second, the industry that have a profit orientation that mentioned it before by the opening option, and they are trying to exploit the woman is our enemy in the first place as the feminist movement. Why? Because ladies and gentlemen, we can see that the hype of K-pop industry is not just coming from they are idol, but also coming from the product such as cosmetic, fashion, merchandise, and so on and so forth. The big influence of K-pop make our society just impulsive to buy something that they didn't exactly need. The moment when the fans see that they are idol buying a product or becoming a brand ambassador of the product, the fans will be also trying to buy the same product, same as the idol. But in this case, ladies and gentlemen, the K-pop industry keep using these impulsive habits of they are fans. For example, the NCT Entertainment, NCT keep producing merchandise, and they are keep using their own idol to be mascot or brand ambassador, and because of that, a lot of fans of NCT keep buying that merchandise without aware about their financial, for example, because that NCT giving, why their fans keep pushing to afford the things that they exactly didn't need it, because the NCT giving the hope towards the fans. If they keep buying the NCT merchandise someday, they have a right, or maybe they have an opportunity to meet with their own idol. The NCT give a hope. If you keep buying our merchandise with a lot of numbers and you collect our merchandise, you have a right, an opportunity to meet one of our idol. Whatever it takes, ladies and gentlemen, the fans is always keep trying to afford the things because they blind, because they didn't know which one is good, which one is bad, because they just try to follow their fans. Because of this, a lot of cases out there that show us how the fans doing something that harming they ourselves. For example, the cases of the girl that using her educational budget to buy the merchandise while his dad work 9 to 5 to give her an education. And if this phenomena keep going, they always addicted to do the things or buying merchandise that owned by their own idols, not but they are idols. They not be able to aware about they are self, about what they exactly want. The important is about what exactly they need. Or even when they are grow up and they are work, so they have an ability to buy a merchandise on their own self, it's gonna be harmful also, because they probably will broke anyway and keep them poor because she cannot control her outcomes, and they are financially aware. Just try to follow the trend, just try to keep buying the merchandise, the t-shirt, the fashion, the product that buying or by their idol. Thank you.